Asexual reproduction. To learn how organisms reproduce, first we need to understand what is the mode of reproduction in different organisms. The mode of reproduction in organisms is different from the other living beings. The mode of reproduction in organisms for producing new offspring from the parent is depend upon their body organization. Based on body organization, the reproduction in organisms are of two types: asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, offspring is produced from single parent without involvement of sex cells or gametes or germ cells. Asexual reproduction generally takes place in simple body organized organisms like unicellular organisms. Example: bacteria, protozoan, microorganisms. In multicellular organisms like Hydra, which has simple body structure, and in plants. In unicellular organisms, the types of reproduction are binary fission or cell division, multiple fission, regeneration, budding, spore formation. Binary fission. In binary fission, parent cell splits into two equal halves. Example: amoeba, a protozoan in which the parent cell splits into two daughter cells without any definite orientation. But in case of leishmania, a flagellate protozoan which consists of whip-like structure called flagella at one end of the organism. In this, cell division takes place in a definite orientation, that is, according to their structure. Multiple fission. In multiple fission, a parent cell divides into many daughter cells. Example: Plasmodium. Fragmentation. Spirogyra is a multicellular organism in which both sexual and asexual reproduction takes place. During asexual reproduction, on maturation, Spirogyra breaks down into small pieces called as fragments, and each fragment grows as a new individual. Regeneration. Regeneration is the ability of the organism to give rise to new individual from the body parts. Here, as we see, each cut or broken part of the body grows into new individual. Example: Hydra, Planaria. Regeneration is carried out by specialized cells. The changes in the cell taking place in an organized manner are known as development. Budding. In budding, specialized cells called regenerative cells are involved in reproduction. Example: Hydra. In Hydra, due to repeated cell division at a specific site, an outgrowth or projection occurs, called as buds. These buds develop into tiny new individuals. On maturation, they detach from parent body and grows as an individual. Spore formation. It is generally seen in simple multicellular organisms like Rhizopus. Rhizopus is nothing but a bread mold. When bread is kept under moist, cool condition in dark place. After 2 days, we can notice fungi with thread-like structures called hyphae are developed on bread mold. Hyphae are not reproductive parts but a blob on a stick-like structures which are called as sporangia are the reproductive cells. It consists of spores which can develop into new rhizopus individual. The spores are covered by thick, a wall which protects them in unfavorable conditions until they come to moist condition. In all types of asexual reproduction, we had discussed new generations are developed from a single parent individual.